Difficult to tell what goes into car insurance quote. Is it my age, what accident from a few years ago, the color of convertible? The Zebra Car Insurance Compassion site has introduced a new insurability that will help people understand. We'll be back in a sec.
So we at the Zebra, we did a national survey, and we were really just trying to gauge consumers' level of understanding of insurance. There was some surprises there. One of the things that was not surprising was that everybody pretty much said that they're looking to save money on insurance, that it's burning through their pocketbook. But some of the things that we did find surprising was that half of the respondents had no idea where to even begin to actually do something about it, to actually save on their insurance, or what is impacting their insurance premiums. The other thing that we saw was that 99% of people failed a very basic sort of car insurance quiz that we gave them on some really common insurance terms.
Can you please share, this is a burning question, how in the world do insurance companies determine what we're going to pay?
Well, there's no single answer for that. Insurance companies use what's called rating factors to determine the price of insurance. And there's something like 40,000 different rating factors that go into it. And it kind of just boils down into who you are, where you are, so your location, what you drive, and of course how you drive. These are things like your credit score, your age, your marital status, home ownership, even just maintaining continuous insurance or having a history of having insurance.
Can you share with us some common myths about car insurance rates, please?
There are so many myths out there. We hear them all the time. One of the ones that we hear the most often is that people think that the color of their car can dictate the price of their insurance.
Mm-hmm.
So some people got in their heads that if they drive a red car, that may be more expensive to insure than a black car. That's absolutely not the case at all. You could drive any color car you want. It's not going to have any impact on your price for insurance. Some other things are people tend to think that their level of income impacts their insurance, or that a parking ticket might impact their insurance. None of that has anything to do with your insurance rates. Another big one is consumers often believe that they cannot switch from one insurance company to the next. Let's say they found a better deal or want to move on to another carrier for any reason. People think that they need to stick it out for the full term of the policy. And again, not true. You can switch carriers at any time, and the carrier will give you a refund for any time unused.
Wow, I learned something from this. Joshua, we wouldn't want to wrap this up without finding out where the viewers can get more information.
So you can log online, just visit thezebra.com. It's a free tool, so it just takes a couple seconds. You enter in a little bit of information. We compare quotes for you. You can get your free insurability score, which will really help you understand what you could do to lower your rates and become more insurable over time. And we also just have a lot of different content and resources to, with our effort to really educate consumers on insurance.
Joshua, thank you so much for the information. Enjoy your day.
Thank you for having me.
Thanks, Henny, and thanks to the Zebra for making that content available to us, because it's very informative. I learned a bunch as well.